Homemade Viagra alternative. Welcome to my today video. In this enlightening video, we present a comprehensive guide to uncovering a natural and homemade solution for erectile dysfunction, ED, commonly known as Viagra alternatives. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights on how to address this sensitive concern using easily available ingredients. By exploring these safe and effective remedies, you can regain your confidence and experience enhanced intimacy. Discover the power of home remedies as we delve into various proven techniques and ingredients that have been utilized for centuries. From herbal concoctions to lifestyle changes, we will discuss a wide range of alternatives to pharmaceutical ED medications that can potentially bring back your vitality naturally. Join us as we explore the benefits of these homemade options. Learn about the carefully selected ingredients that promote blood flow, boost libido, and improve overall sexual performance. We will also highlight precautions and provide useful tips to maximize the effectiveness of these natural remedies. By embracing these Viagra alternatives, you can take control of your sexual health without relying on synthetic pharmaceuticals. These homemade solutions are not only cost-effective, but also eliminate the worry of potential side effects. Don't let ED hinder the quality of your life any longer. Unlock the potential of nature's offerings and bid farewell to the frustrations caused by erectile concerns. Watch this eye-opening video now to gain an in-depth understanding of the various natural and homemade solutions to ED, and start your journey to a fulfilling and satisfying intimate life. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and wellness. Like and share this video with others who may benefit from this valuable information. Stay tuned for updates and tips on improving your overall well-being. How does Viagra work? Viagra, sildenafil citrate, is an FDA-approved drug that belongs to a class of drugs called phosphodiesterase type 5, PDE5, inhibitors. This drug works by relaxing smooth muscles in the blood vessel walls, which consequently allows a larger volume of blood flow to circulate and enter the erectile chambers. For many men, it's effective in increasing blood flow and alleviating the symptoms of sexual dysfunction. Viagra is a clinically effective way to treat organic erectile dysfunction, even though it does not treat the underlying symptoms of ED like other ED therapies can. And with over 94% of patients having organic ED, this shows that this drug has a place on shelves. That said, patients with psychogenic or psychological erectile dysfunction may not reap ideal results when they take Viagra, which we'll get to why right now. When Viagra doesn't work, for an erection to form, two key mechanisms have to take place. 1. The brain becomes sexually stimulated, firing nerve impulses. Blood rushes to the penis through blood vessels. Viagra helps when an impediment occurs in the second step. Erectile dysfunction can be caused by blockages and problems in blood transport through the vessels, all of which Viagra can help alleviate. 2. However, Viagra doesn't help when the brain fails to fire signals to signal a male's sexual arousal in the first place. The term for this failure to sustain an erection due to a non-organic etiology is psychogenic ED. Viagra's effects are only evident when there's genuine sexual arousal in the male taking the pill. In other words, if the man taking Viagra isn't sexually stimulated or aroused, the conditions won't be suitable for an erection to form. Side effects of Viagra. Viagra can be useful in aiding men suffering from debilitating bouts of erectile dysfunction. However, it's not the perfect pill. There are some side effects to be aware of before considering the drug. Side effects of Viagra include the following: sleep problems, muscle pain, headache, blurred vision, high blood pressure, nosebleeds, low blood pressure, upset stomach, flushing. If you're experiencing adverse drug interactions or any of the symptoms above, contact a medical professional for assistance. Some of these symptoms, such as flushing, are common and can occur in as much as 30% of cases. Doctors may lower the Viagra dosage or prescribe you another form of treatment for your erectile dysfunction. Now, let's discuss about the main subject of today's video: homemade Viagra alternative. Prepare the following herbs. 1 ounce of saffron. 5 ounces of sliced ginseng, about that amount. 5 whole black garlics, peel off and cut into thin slices. 5 tablespoons of real good honey. 1 bottle of either dry gin or vodka, about 1.75 L and 40% alcohol volume more or less. Drop everything into the wine bottle and it will be ready to drink after about 3 days. Every afternoon or evening. Drink a small glass, about 50 milliliters, of this magic recipe liquid. And in order to boost your sexual hormones, libido, stamina quickly, you should apply the following ideas. 1. Daily exercise. Kegel exercises can help reduce erectile dysfunction by strengthening the perineal muscle and increasing blood flow to the penis. Other exercise types can help improve your overall health, which may also help relieve ED. A study from the University of the West trusted source in the United Kingdom found that pelvic exercises helped 40% of men with ED regain normal erectile function. They also helped an additional 33.5% significantly improve erectile function. Additional research suggests pelvic muscle training may be helpful for treating ED as well as other pelvic health issues. The best method for locating the muscles of the pelvic floor, the lower pelvis, is to stop your stream several times in the middle of urination. The muscles you clench to do this are the ones you need to exercise. To perform a representative of Kegel exercises, squeeze those muscles. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat this 10 to 20 times, 2 or 3 times a day. You may want to try this in different positions, including lying down with your knees up, sitting in a chair, and standing. Another way to think about Kegels is to squeeze the muscles of your anus, like you are holding a bowel movement. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds while breathing. Then relax all muscles. Pelvic floor exercises help to relieve erectile dysfunction. They can also help reduce urinary or bowel incontinence, stop dribble after urination, improve overall sexual experience. Adding aerobic exercise to your routine can improve your overall health and may lead to improvements in ED. Even brisk walking 30 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week, may be enough to change your cardiovascular health and impact your ED. 2. Upgrade to daily superfoods dietary. Add the following foods and superfoods into your daily meals in order to strongly boost your sexual power. Tomatoes. Lycopene is one of those phytonutrients that is good for circulation and good for sexual issues. Lycopene is found in deep red fruits like tomatoes and pink grapefruits. Avocado. One more benefit of consuming avocado for men is that it can increase libido. Avocados contain zinc, which is believed to be able to help the production of the hormone testosterone, so that it plays an important role in male libido. If there is a lack of zinc, it can make men less excited during sex. Broccoli. Flavonoids. Broccoli contains 2 flavonoid compounds, quercetin and kaempferol. These flavonoids increase testosterone levels by stimulating the Leydig cells in your testes to produce more testosterone. Belonging to the cruciferous family, even broccoli is a great source of nitrate and helps to improve blood circulation and erection. Kale. Leafy greens like spinach and, less delicious, kale are rich in nitrates, which can be converted in the body to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax blood vessels, including those in the penis, allowing for improved blood flow and potentially supporting erectile function. Chia seeds. This is important for sexual health because high blood sugar levels can lead to erectile dysfunction and other sexual problems. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can help keep your blood sugar levels stable and improve your overall sexual health. Seaweeds. Sea moss. Sea moss provides a healthy dose of calcium, a key nutrient in bone health and strength. Sea moss is rich in zinc, a nutrient that's known to improve stamina and blood flow. This helps with endurance while also reducing the risk of common conditions like erectile dysfunction. Conclusion. And that's it. That's how you can take care of your problems. Remember to incorporate whatever we just discover. Be patient and keep doing it every day, and you will see amazing results soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. The more you view our video, the better looking you will be and much healthier. Your perfect health and beauty are our passion, and we will try our best to help you look forever young and healthy always. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and give it a like. Bye and have many nice days.